Want to create professional screen recordings and video tutorials without spending hours editing? In this video, we're looking at ScreenPal, an incredibly easy tool designed to help you capture, edit, and share your screen in minutes. If you've ever struggled with complicated video editing software just to make a simple tutorial, ScreenPal is built for you. It runs on Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and Chromebook. And the best part? You don't even need to create an account to start recording for free. ScreenPal combines simple screen and webcam recording with powerful built-in AI tools. You can record any part of your screen, add your webcam, and use easy annotations to highlight important steps as you speak. Once you're done recording, you don't need to be a professional editor to polish your video. ScreenPal lets you easily trim and cut your footage, add text overlays, and insert background music. But where it really shines is how it uses AI to handle the tedious work. ScreenPal can automatically generate video transcripts, captions, chapters, and summaries for you in minutes, all of which you can easily edit. If you want to reach a global audience, you can even translate your videos into over 100 languages using AI-generated voiceovers and multilingual captions. Plus, if you're an educator or a business trainer, you can make your videos interactive by adding quizzes and custom buttons directly into the video player. Now, let's talk about what users think. While we don't have access to a detailed database of external third-party reviews for today's video, ScreenPal's official site reports an impressive overall rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 10,500 reviews. It's also trusted by 98 out of 100 universities in the US, making it a highly reliable tool for classrooms and remote teams. Because we have limited external review data today, we highly recommend trying out their free download first to see how it fits into your personal workflow. Overall, ScreenPal is a fantastic, lightweight solution for anyone who wants to share their knowledge quickly without getting bogged down by technical details. If you want to try it out for yourself, head over to ScreenPal.com to download it for free. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. See you in the next video.